So suppose we designate this one 5 mm cannula for gas desufflation. Then what we have to do is we need one ICD bag. This is the ICD bag, and we have cut off the tubing of this ICD bag over here. The nozzle at the tip of the ICD, the tubing on the ICD bag, so that it can fit directly into this side valve of the cannula, right? And then this ICD bag is filled with hypochlorite solution. Now the recommended strength for disinfectant of hypochlorite solution is 0.1%, but what we have done is we have added on the side of safety and made this 1% solution rather than 0.1%, 10 times stronger. And then the other thing that we can do is then what we have to do is we have to get this the valve that is there at the top that allows the gas to escape, and the opening at the tip of the valve is quite small. So what else we can do is we can just cut off a bit to make of this valve to allow a larger opening so that the gas can easily escape, right? So this is a larger opening, and then we fit a normal suction tube, disposable cannula at the end of this opening, and then fit it over the ICD bag channel. So this goes right into the ICD bag, and that forms an airtight seal. Now this output, gas output, what happens is this gas output is that start the CO2. I need the pipe, no? I need a pipe over here. So what will happen is, suppose this is the CO2 gas over here. So it comes over here, and then it is going through this pipe. It goes into the channel. CO2 flow, start the flow. Cylinder. बंद कर दे, गैस बंद कर दो इतना बेबी गैस चालू करिए सर कभी बाकी से बंद हो वो ना दिया होगा. So suppose the gas, this is a 5 mm cannula inside. At the end of it, for desufflation, you can just open the side channel. The air escapes through this and comes into the ICD bag with the hypochlorite solution, and then the remnant air will come out here. From this, it will pass out through this gas, and then it is going right to the back of this HEPA filter. Now this is a standard HEPA filter which is there in all hospitals. All the hospitals would have a standard HEPA filter like this. So this is a routine HEPA filter that is available, and it has a channel at the back for pulling in the air, and there is a channel in the front which sends out the filtered air. So when you put this pipe over here, all the gas that is desufflated from the abdomen comes out here, and it is filtered out it is pulled inside the HEPA filter. It is filtered out by the HEPA filter, and then it is thrown back into the OT. Similarly, we can do the same thing with the suction machine. So if you have a suction machine, what you can do is you can just put the output part of the suction machine where the air is thrown out near the input part of the HEPA filter. Keep them in close proximity so that any gas that is thrown out from the suction machine is pulled into the HEPA filter. And both the bottles in the HEPA filter should be filled up with hypochlorite solution. So all the fluid that comes into this two bottles are will be getting sterilized by contact with the concentrate with required hypochlorite solution.